Hi student, this is Aragya ma'am from Max in All, Anaithilum Kanidam. Unit 2 Numbers, Part 5. In this video, we are going to see the ascending order and descending order and also exercise 2.3. Ascending order and descending order of numbers. Fine, let us focus on definition first. Ascending order of numbers is arranging. So, we have to arrange. What we have to arrange? Arranging the numbers from smallest to the greatest. So we have already learnt about this smallest and greatest number, isn't it? அதை எப்படி கண்டுபிடிச்சோமோ அதே மாதிரி இப்போ நம்ம அதை வந்து அரேஞ்ச் பண்ண போறோம். That's it. So it's easy to arrange, isn't it? Fine. Come to the descending order. Descending order of numbers is arranging the numbers from the greatest to the smallest. So once you find the ascending order, it will be easy to arrange in descending order also. Okay? Okay. Now let us take 1 to 9. So smallest number to greatest நான் அப்படி arrange பண்ணியிருக்கேன். In case if any number is missing in between, you have to move to the next greatest number. Okay, fine. Now for descending order also, the greatest number is 9, smallest number is 1. In that order I arrange. For this ascending order, you just keep in mind as a step up. So ஸ்டெப்ஸ்ல ஏறுறத நம்ம ஞாபகம் வச்சுக்கணும். ஸ்மாலஸ்ட் டு பிக்கஸ்ட், கிரேட்டஸ்ட் அப்படி நம்ம ஞாபகம் வச்சுக்கலாம். ஓகேவா? அண்ட் ஆல்சோ டிசெண்டிங் ஆர்டருக்கு ஸ்டெப் டவுன், ஸ்டெப்ஸ் மேல இருந்து கீழே இறங்கி வரதை ரிமைண்ட் பண்ணிக்கோங்க. See, Mr. Bean is trying to get down, but he is unable to move down. Okay. Here I am going to arrange some blocks. Okay, in a step up order. See, 1 2 3. Likewise 1 2 3 4 5 and up to 1 to 7. Okay, see here, this is the step down for descending order. Now it's easy, isn't it? So step down தான் அதே மாதிரி நம்பரும் நம்ம அதுக்கேற்ற மாதிரி அரேஞ்ச் பண்ணியிருக்கோம். ஓகேவா? See, focus on the left side. See here, going up and coming down, isn't it? So smallest to greatest, which is equal to ascending order. A for ascending order. Likewise D for descending order. Just you keep in mind. So the greatest to smallest. Hope you get it. Just for fun, I added this video clipping from the famous film. You know very well, Mr. Vadivelu is stepping up, isn't it? Okay. Just for step up, I keep this video clipping, and for step down, he's so panic. Okay. Hope you enjoy. So left side is for ascending and right side is for descending. Try this. Arrange the following numbers in ascending order and descending order. So I'll give the tips to find it easy. So smallest to greatest number enna tips, so the same only for here, but here we are going to arrange. That's it. அங்க கண்டுபிடிக்க மட்டும் செஞ்சோம், அதிலே அரேஞ்ச் பண்ணோம். இருந்தாலும் இதுல எப்படி ஸ்மாலஸ்ட் டு கிரேட்டஸ்ட் வரைக்கும் ஃபுல் அண்ட் ஃபுல் அரேஞ்ச் பண்ணோம். ஓகேவா? See, count the digits and write on the top. If it is same, check the first digit. Again, if it is same, check the next digit. Then arrange from smallest to greatest number. Then it's called ascending. As usual, arrange from greatest to smallest. Then it is called descending order. That's it. So come to the first sum. Now I am going to count the digits. 5, 4, 3 and 5. So now it's easy, isn't it? So lesser number is 3. So this is the first answer. 4 is the second answer. Then here both are in 5 digits, isn't it? So focus on the first digit. Okay. Now it's easy. So this is the third number and this is fourth. So I'll give the answer. Like this you have to arrange. So third answer, fourth answer. Now it's easy to find the descending order. See here. Fine. Like that, come to the B sum. All are in 5 digits only. So I'm going to focus on the first digit. Okay, this is the first one and this is second number, and so both are in same started in same digits, isn't it? So I go to the second digit. Here 4 and here 2. So now this is the third answer. Finally, this is the fourth answer. Before going to write, just we have to learn about the comma and semicolon. Comma you know well, which we are following in the place value, isn't it? Then what is the semicolon? While arranging, we have to enter the semicolon also in between. Just watch it. See here, I have mentioned with semicolon. See here. This is the first number, 23,112 and semicolon. Then second number, 32,113, then semicolon. Then 42,231, then semicolon. Then last, 44,918. Like that, descending order also. We have to arrange with that semicolon properly. Try this C and D sum. So as it is, first you have to count the digits. See here, all are same. So I just started with underline the first digits. Now it's easy. Yes, this is the first one, second, then this third and last. From this, we are going to arrange the ascending and descending order. Just check here and D sum also. See here, 3, 5 and 5 and also 5. So first 733 is the first one. Remaining you have to check with first digit. Okay, this is the second number and among this 4 and 5. So this is the third and this is fourth. Finally we get the ascending and descending order. So you have to stop here and check the answer. No need to copy from here. Just you are all brilliant students. So you have to find out by yourself and then check. Join the numbers in descending order to get a picture. Here is one picture. We are going to join the numbers in a descending order. Okay. Okay. Just to start with 9,999 and then connect with this number. So likewise, the next number is this. So I connected to that. Just you check it whether I have done correct or not. So இதில இருக்க மாதிரி எல்லாமே first digit check பண்ணுங்க. Then go to the next digit. Likewise, you have to arrange. Okay. Just for design, I have entered this in between line. You can also draw with like this and then color it. Recall second sum. Join the numbers in ascending order to get a picture. So it's a house picture. Just we are going to connect and color it. Okay, ma? Fine. Just I started from down from 5,000 to 7,000 and 7,000 to 8,300. Okay, now it's easy. One step over. Then 8,300 to 9,999 and 9,999 to 978 is connected. So from here I start and go to here. Then as it is from here to here. Now second step is over. In between two steps are there, isn't it? Two line we have to add. So I connected 800 to 978 and 800 to 7,000. Just watch it. Fine. Now you can color it. Exercise 2.3. First sum, write the number name. So whatever number given, just we have to write the place value first. Okay. Okay, first is given for you. So 11,000. So thousands column only we have the number. So that First answer is 11,000. Then second one also, just thousands column only we have the answer. That means 34,000. Isn't it? Fine. Then here, just in lakh column only we have only 1. Remaining and all 0. Isn't it? So very easy. So 1 lakh. Then next number sum is given for you already. So come to the E sum. 37,689. So according to the place value, we have to write the number name. Next is given. So G sum, just 4 above lakh is there. So 4 lakhs is the correct answer. Here also, so 12 lakhs is the correct answer. Write the following values in abacus. So first sum, 3 tens, 7 crores, 60 lakhs, 7 lakhs, 4 tens and 7 ones. So இதுக்கு ஏத்த மாதிரி நம்ம சைடுல இருக்கக்கூடிய abacus rodல நம்ம இன்சர்ட் பண்ண போறோம். ஓகேவா? Okay. What is the first one? 3 tens. So in tens column, I am going to insert 3 beads. Fine. Next is 7 crores. So in crores column, I am going to insert, count whether it is correct or not. Okay. Next column is 60 lakhs. Shall I enter in lakhs column? See here, lakhs and 10 lakhs is there. Whether it's correct? No. Why? Because simply 6 lakhs means I can enter in lakh column, but here 60 lakhs. So 10th columns only you should enter. 6 tens are 60, isn't it? So 10th column la nama 60 place pannum. So in 10th column I am going to enter 6 beads. Okay. Now 7 lakhs in lakh column. See, if a lakhs and கொடுத்தா மட்டும்தான் நம்ம lakh column fill பண்ணணும். Here how many beads? இதுல ஏதாவது மிஸ்டேக்ஸ் இருந்துச்சுன்னா கண்டுபிடிங்க. ஓகேவா? 4 tens. So once again 10. Already we have insert in 10th column 3 beads, isn't it? ஏற்கனவே 3 beads insert பண்ணிட்டோம். Again 4 tens ன்னு சொல்றாங்க. So 10th column நம்ம insert பண்ண போறோம். Okay. Then finally 7 ones. In ones column I am going to insert. So இதே மாதிரி ஒவ்வொன்றும் பொறுமையா செஞ்சாதான் தப்பு இல்லாம செய்ய முடியும். ஓகேவா? Okay, fine. Then come to the second question. Find the place value of 7 and 4 of this numbers. கொடுத்திருக்காங்க இல்லையா? இந்த நம்பர்ஸ்ல இருந்து நம்ம 7 ஓட place value, 4 ஓட place value கேக்குறாங்க. It's easy, isn't it? Just have a glance. Place value எழுதிரணும். எழுதிட்டு, yes, we have to mention with commas, isn't it? Don't forget. Okay. So 5 above, sorry, 7 above TTH is there, isn't it? So 10,000. 10,000 is the correct answer. And for 4 above TL is there. See here, 4 above TL is there. So 4 TL means 410 lakhs. Then come to the third question. Write any one number with 6,000 with 9 tens and 3 ones. So in the number thousands la 6 இருக்கணும், tens column 9 இருக்கணும், ones column 3 இருக்கணும். ஓகேவா? So அந்த place value நம்ம fix பண்ணி நம்ம ஒரு number create பண்ண போறோம். Just I make it with the sheet. 6,000. So அப்ப thousands column 6 போட்டுக்கலாம். Then tens column 9, ones column 3, isn't it? So in between I can fill with 0 or 1 or 2 or 9, whatever number I can fill, no problem. But before, if you fill also no problem, or if you not fill also no problem, because from that question I have entered all the answers. Okay. Write in numerals. இதுல கொடுத்திருக்கிறத வச்சு நம்ம நம்பரா கன்வெர்ட் பண்ணணும். சரியா? வேர்ட்ஸ்ல இருக்கு. So 1 crore 40,000 and 4. இல்லையா? இதுல இருந்து நம்ம அப்படியே கன்வெர்ட் பண்ண போறோம். ஸோ crore காலத்துல முன்னாடி 1 இருக்கு. ஸோ crore-ல 1 போட போறோம். Then come to this 40,000. ஸோ கேர்ஃபுல். 4 கொடுத்துருந்தா நம்ம பார்த்துக்கலாம். 4,000 கொடுத்தா ஈஸியாக 1000 காலத்தில் ஃபில் பண்ணலாம். பட் ஹியர் 40,000 இஸ் தேர். ஸோ 1000 காலத்தில் போடாமல் அதுக்கு முன்னாடி இருக்க 10,000 காலத்தில் தான் 4 ஃபில் பண்ணணும். ஸோ இதில் கொஞ்சம் கவனமாக இருங்க. ஓகேவா? அண்ட் 4 simply 4, that means 1 column. So remaining and all 0. Why? Because there is no words, isn't it? Number namesல அது எதுவுமே மீதி எந்த காலமே fill பண்ணல. So I just fill with 0. Next sum 64 lakhs and 3. இதுலயும் அதே மாதிரி தான் 64 lakhs. So lakh groupல 60ங்கிறதுக்கு 10 lakhs இருக்கும் இல்லையா? அதுல 6 போடணும். Good. And 4ங்கிறத lakh காலத்துல fill பண்ணணும். ஓகேவா? Fine. And 3, simply 3, that means 1 column. So இப்போ ஈஸியா இருக்கும்னு நினைக்கிறேன். So full and full we are learning with the numbers only. So don't feel lazy. Just alert while doing. So write in words figure 1. So figure 1ல இருக்கத number names தான் எழுத சொல்லி சொல்றாங்க. So number names வேணும்னா நம்ம first we have to count the beats. So I just count the beats and fill here. Just watch it whether I had done properly or not. So both figure I have completed. Fine. Now I am going to give the number name because you know well. Just I'll give the answer. Just watch it. Then second answer also I had given. Suppose if they ask in exam, you just go through this. It's easy for you. Anyway, I have given. Now come to the sixth sum. How many lakhs and hundreds are there in the abacus? Just lakh கேக்குறாங்க. Lakhs வந்து 1 lakh. In figure 2ல தான் பார்க்கணும். So figure 2ல டவுட் இருந்துச்சுன்னா பாருங்க. Figure 2ல lakh காலத்துல 1 தான் இருக்கு இல்லையா? So 1 lakh. And 100 காலத்துல 3. So 3 is the correct answer. 300. Find the sum of greatest 4-digit number and smallest 5-digit number, which I had taught you already in the past video itself, isn't it? So greatest 4-digit number is 9,999 and smallest 5-digit number is 10,000. Okay. So just I give the sheet. Here sum only they had asked. Find the sum. Sum means you have to add. So this is the answer. Just watch it. Then 11th sum also we had seen in the past video itself. The same answer will become. Okay. So in the 11th sum ஏற்கனவே பார்த்திருக்கோம். அப்ப பார்க்கும்போது நான் சொன்னேன் இல்லையா? To exercise 2.3ல வரும்னு சொன்னேன் இல்லையா? The same sum. Find the sum of the greatest 4-digit number and smallest 5-digit number. So இது ஏற்கனவே நம்ம பார்த்திருக்கோம். So இதோட answers மட்டும் நான் இங்க கொடுக்கிறேன். Greatest 4-digit number is 9,999. Smallest is 10,000. So just we have to add. Why? Because find the sum. அப்படிதான் கேட்டிருக்காங்க. So sum means we have to add. ரெண்டையும் add பண்ணோம்னா this is the answer. That means 19,999. Then 11th sum also we had already found out in the past video itself. அதே மாதிரி third sum இருக்குன்னு சொன்னோமா? Yes. So இது நம்ம ஏற்கனவே பார்த்திருக்கோம். Just I give the answer. Just go through this. Okay. 8th sum. Write the following in ascending and descending order. Here all the digits are same. That means all are in 5 digits, isn't it? Okay. Yes. Then what to do? Yes. We have to underline the first digit. So now it's easy for you to do this, isn't it? So I am going fast. So just watch it. So இதை உட்காந்து மனப்பாடம் பண்ணிட்டு இருக்க வேண்டியதில்லை. எந்த நம்பர் கொடுத்தாலும் நம்ம எழுத ரெடியாக இருக்கணும். See, look at the answer. With that comma and semicolon, you should mention all the answers. Otherwise, you will be confused. Then B sum is easy, so that I give the answers. Just to pause here and watch this. Ninth sum, write in standard form. 7 lakhs plus 5,000 plus 4 tens plus 3 ones. So இது அப்படியே நம்ம round of number எழுதிக்கலாம் or in numerals எழுதிட்டு just we are going to add with the help of sheet. Like this you have to arrange and then find the exact answer. Just stop here and then check your answer. 10th sum, add 5,300 to this number. So இந்த லாஸ்ட்ல கொடுத்திருக்க நம்பரோட 5,300 add பண்ண போறோம். ஓகேவா? For that we need to round off that number and also 300. Then in that sheet we are going to enter with the proper place value so that we can get the exact answer, and this is the answer. Okay, just try this, try and check your answers from here. So I am also going to say bye bye with Sinchan. Bye bye. In this video I try to make you understand, I think. If you have any doubt, ping me or ring me. மெய்ப்பொருள் காண்பதறிவு.